Hi everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. I wanted to do a quick video. It's now 6 p.m. Friday. Had a nice day today. We ended the session at 10:45 a.m. on time and wanted to go over the trade that we took. We actually took two trades, but why don't we just focus on the Aussie US dollar. We also took a euro dollar long as well. The performance today in the trading room was plus 30, let me see here, plus 34 pips, and the total for the week was plus 95 pips. All right. You can also start tracking most of the trades on the FXLiveDayTrading.com. There's a account that I opened up for the summer, so you can get an idea of what we're doing here in the trading room. Not every single trade is included there because that's actually done on a separate account, but it'll give you an indication of what we're doing for the day, trades that we did, pairs that we did, things like that, and the overall performance should mimic my personal live account that I trade, and give you an idea. So, at any rate, enough with that. Aussie US dollar, we're looking at a 30-minute chart. We had a nice trend line down. We had a sideways action which went on most of the morning, and then we saw the breakout late morning. That was about 10:15, 10:30 a.m. We were in a long on the Aussie dollar. All right, during this consolidation phase with a really tight stop. We had about a 20 pip stop on that trade. So our entry was 98.51 on the Aussie US dollar. We also had an entry on the euro dollar at 125.68. We took this trade up and exited. We waited for this here to break. That was our breakout level that we've discussed in the room. We put that on our charts. We went over precisely how we got this overhead resistance level, where we're going to take the trade before we took it, and where our stops are going to be. As I said, tight stop. As we move higher, we move that stop higher as well. Now, my exit area was a pretty quick exit area. It was right actually here, because that was when the day ended at 10:45. Okay. Now the option for the traders in the room was basically to go ahead and hold this trade, and some of them did, and some of them did very well. We went up to 99. We tested 99 and closed right around there for the weekend. So once again, because it's a Friday, it's just nice to end the session on time. Didn't let this one ride, but normally during the week we're in a nice trade. Since I'm trading anyway, and oftentimes I do trade till 4 p.m., we just keep the trading room open and let the winners ride. So just a brief video of a Aussie dollar trade. Once again, 30-minute chart. We had our consolidation. We did not break below our 200. Okay, we were watching other factors as well that we discussed, certain stocks that we discuss in the trading room, trying to get some sort of a breath of the market, feel of the market, what the next move of the stock market is going to be, and oftentimes some of the pairs, the commodity pairs especially, like the Aussie dollar, do mimic the S&P 500 index, which we do track in the trading room as well. So S&P 500, I'm not going to put a chart up on that, but we did come down nicely on the E-mini ESMU 12 and touched at 1300. At the same time, we were coming down here on the Aussie. So it was kind of like both levels rested, touched a key firm level, and then they both moved up higher together. So if you'd like more information, FXLiveDayTrading.com, and you have a great weekend.